Yo, it's ODB back from OLP. Please consider subscribing and leave a comment. It helps out the channel. I'm going to jump right into it and get right to what you saw in the thumbnail. This is an unboxing, and this envelope here has something cool that's related to one of my passions, Mini Truckin Magazine, and the Mini Truckin lifestyle in general, which we call our lifestyle. Now, recently I hinted at this in social media. I also did a video, if I recall correctly, on how to order this. So without further ado, I'm gonna rip this thing open. It came about a week ago. It was about a week turnaround time, but I didn't have a chance to record this. So of course I'm opening it now. And here, am I doing this right? Okay, check this out. Boom. This here is Gauge Magazine, and this is number 300, which is crazy. Now, Gauge Magazine is primarily known as an online magazine, I think, by most enthusiasts. But if you recall watching my recent video, I talked about how they shot Randy's truck at SEMA 2023. They had a model here, and when they shoot these, you can actually go on their website, gaugemagazine.com. I'll leave a link in the description right to the landing spot, and you can order this. So they're basically printed on demand. Now, you're going to see a little bit higher premium price for one of these. I was willing to pay that price because, you know, knowing this tribute truck to Ballistic is really just such an awesome, iconic truck. I had to have this as an item to add to the collection, especially the Ballistic / now to Ballistic collection. So pretty cool stuff. And there's even No Regrets truck. Shout out to the big homie on the back. So pretty awesome stuff. But I can tell you this is the first one that I've ever purchased and received in the mail. I think you can also order, if you purchase this, you'll get the digital version as well. So I've always checked it out online. But this is super cool. I can tell you the quality of the pages is fantastic. Maybe I'll do a flip through in the near future, but I can tell you just even the artwork and the direction and the art direction that I see in here is fantastic. There's a little sneak peek right there. So pretty awesome stuff. Show some love to Gauge Magazine. Again, number 300. The ladies and the team in general have been doing this a damn long time. So congratulations to them. And Danny, awesome on the back cover.